Hey, beautiful beings. In a world filled with endless possibilities, it is crucial to dare to dream. Dreams have the power to transform our lives and make the impossible possible. But merely dreaming is not enough. We must be ready to work tirelessly, face obstacles head on, and rise above failures in pursuit of our dreams. One essential step on this journey is to write down our dreams on paper, as these notable figures have emphasized. Are you ready to embrace your dreams, work toward them, and witness their manifestation? Dreams don't work unless you do. I invite you to try it too, and soon the translation of my book Unlock Your Story will be available in English. The act of writing down your dreams adds focus, clarity, and commitment to your journey. So let the wisdom of these notable figures guide you.